Windows are an essential part of your home, providing natural light, ventilation, and insulation. They also play a significant role in your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. However, over time, windows can become worn, damaged, or inefficient. In Lexington, SC, where hot summers and cold winters can take a toll on your home, it's crucial to know when it's time to replace your windows. Here are 5 signs to look out for that indicate it's time to invest in new windows for your home. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. If you notice cold drafts during the winter or uncomfortable heat in the summer, your windows may no longer be providing proper insulation. Poorly sealed windows or old, inefficient frames can allow outside air to seep in, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature in your home. This not only leads to discomfort but can also drive up your energy bills as your heating and cooling systems work harder to compensate. In Lexington, SC, where temperatures can vary significantly, having well-insulated windows is essential for energy efficiency. If you find yourself constantly adjusting the thermostat or dealing with cold spots near your windows, it's a clear sign that your windows are no longer doing their job, and replacement should be considered. Visible damage or wear and tear. Windows are exposed to the elements, which can lead to visible damage over time. If your windows are cracked, chipped, or have broken seals, they might not provide the security and efficiency they once did. Damaged windows can compromise the structural integrity of your home, let in moisture, and lead to mold growth, especially in a humid climate like Lexington. Check the condition of your window frames and glass regularly. If you notice rot in the wooden frames or fogging between the panes of glass, it's time to consider replacement. While minor issues like chips can be repaired, extensive damage may require the full replacement of your windows to ensure your home remains safe and comfortable. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If your windows become difficult to open or close, it's a sign that the hardware or frame has worn down. Over time, weather conditions, humidity, and the natural settling of your home can affect the functionality of your windows. Sticking or jammed windows are not only frustrating, but they can also be a safety hazard in case of an emergency where you need to exit quickly. In addition to functionality issues, windows that don't close properly may not seal tightly, which can lead to drafts and security concerns. If you find yourself struggling with your windows, or if they don't lock securely, it's a good indication that they should be replaced. Excessive noise from outside. Are you hearing more noise than usual from outside? If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a street with a lot of traffic, windows play a key role in reducing noise. Over time, older windows, especially single-pane glass, lose their ability to block sound effectively. If you can hear everything from cars passing by to people talking outside, your windows may no longer be providing the soundproofing you need. Replacing your old windows with new, energy-efficient, double or triple pane windows can help reduce outside noise. This is particularly beneficial in Lexington, SC, where you might want to enjoy some peace and quiet despite living near busy roads or in a bustling community. Rising energy bills. if you've noticed a significant increase in your energy bills. It could be due to outdated windows. Old or inefficient windows often have poor insulation properties, allowing heat to escape in the winter and enter during the summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to higher utility costs. In Lexington, SC, where the temperatures can swing from hot to cold, having energy-efficient windows is essential for keeping your home comfortable without constantly adjusting your thermostat. Modern windows are designed to meet higher energy efficiency standards, which can help you save money in the long run. Conclusion: windows are an investment in the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. If you're noticing drafts, visible damage, difficulty with operation, excessive noise, or higher energy bills, it may be time to replace your windows. Replacing old or damaged windows can improve your home's overall efficiency, boost its curb appeal, and enhance your quality of life. For homeowners in Lexington, SC, working with a trusted window replacement professional can help you choose the best windows for your needs and ensure they are properly installed. Don't wait until your windows are causing major issues. Address these signs early and enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient home.